This is a 1946 Hudson Commodore 8. It had a 128 horsepower flathead 8. And in 1946, this was Hudson's, I guess, answer to the Buicks and the Oldsmobiles. This was their top of the line in 1946. It's got the suicide doors, and the interior is just immaculate. You can see the nice finishes, beautiful headliner. Just a really, really pretty interior. I love the little loops that were offered to give it a little rich look. It's got concealed, which I thought was kind of nice. Concealed, I guess they're, what's the word I'm thinking? Running boards. And then the blue matching steering wheel. Beautiful dashboard. This one has radio delete, so it wasn't ordered with a radio. It also wasn't ordered with turn signals. That was another add-on, or an outside mirror. But other than that, it was it was their nicest offering. Interestingly, I found an ad that actually shows my car. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I had it framed. And then I'll open up and show you the trunk. The car did come with an original factory radio that would have been original to this car. I just haven't gotten around to installing it. But other than that, the bumpers are really beautiful. They're in excellent shape. I love the two-tone and all the chrome on this baby. Just beautiful. And a nice feature that I like about it is when I turn on the lights, on the first click, just these little lights come on, and then you click it a second time and then you have your headlights. But even this comes on. It shows up a little bit more at night. So just kind of a nice feature. The grille is really a unique, never seen anything like it, with it kind of coming and getting tucked under like that. And it's just remarkable, the quality of the chrome and the overall. I think paint looks real nice. And again, that two-tone, that's a factory color combination. And it's just a nice, great big sedan that just has a certain look to it that gives it a real pretty view. All right, I'll start it up. Okay, we'll turn it on. Got the little push button starter. I think it's in neutral. And you can hear the motor is a purring. And that's the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8 spark plugs. 8 cylinder. Just seems to run out really smooth, really nice. We'll let it down. There's a little latch down here. And we'll take it for a little spin. And we're in the fall time up here, northern Minnesota. So the colors are vibrant. They're just a little past peak, but they're still up there and they're still beautiful. And you can kind of hard to be the cameraman and the driver and having to shift. It does have a 3 on the tree, but it also has overdrive. And there is going into overdrive. Yeah, you can see the colors are just gorgeous. That's the back seat. And the leaves are just a falling. I'm going to do a U-turn. Oh yeah, you can see the color. And now, there, now it went into overdrive. And I'm doing 40. But it drives real nice. Doing almost 50. Although the limit here is about 45, so I've got to slow down. And yeah, this is cruising in the 40s. 1946 would have been the year that they were starting to make cars again after the war. Pull it into the sun. So you can see it in all its glory. But yeah, white wall tires, that was an option. As you can see, that picture that I took that I had mounted, that one had black wall tires. Otherwise, it was the same car. Yeah, it's just a pretty, that blue is, and a two-tone blue really kind of sets it off, I will say. It's a big car. Anyway, from northern Minnesota, signing off.